Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best smartboards for classroom that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have best smartboards for classrooms. The Vibe All-in-One is a 55 inches 4K smartboard that comes with a host of features that make teaching easier. The magnetic stylus makes it easy to interact with, and access to conferencing and collaboration tools removes the need for you to make additional purchases. Setting up the board is easy. All you have to do is slide the board into the portable stand and use the many ports on the back to hook it up to your devices. Moving on at number 4, we have TouchForce 4K UHD. The TouchForce board is right for you if you want a color-accurate smart board. It upscales your device's picture quality to 4K and presents them in accurate colors. It has an impressive 5 milliseconds response time, and it can recognize gestures from up to 10 touch points simultaneously. In addition to writing and annotating, the touchscreen allows you to use it for digital signage and as an order board. The 50 inches size makes it the right smartboard to buy for small to moderately sized classrooms. At number 3, we have Smart Tech Interactive. If you need a smart board for a large classroom, the Smart Tech board is one of your best options. The package includes a 77 inches whiteboard, a tray, 4 pens, an eraser, a projector, and the remote control. The board is touch sensitive, and teachers can interact with their devices by touching the whiteboard surface. Teachers can also write notes on the low reflective whiteboard surface. The Smart Board software enables easy annotation over any application. The annotations can be saved as images and easily shared with students after class. At number 2, we have Smart Interactive Whiteboard. The Smart Interactive Whiteboard is another excellent option if you're looking for a large smart board. The 75 inches board boasts a quality LED display that presents images at 4K. Additionally, the display has a low friction coating, making for a smooth touch experience. The integrated software makes it easy to zoom, rotate, and flip the screen, and the multiple touchpoints enable several students to use it simultaneously. The anti-glare panel ensures that students can view the board from anywhere in the classroom. And finally at number 1. DTEN on All-in-One. Running Windows IoT, the DTEN on Smartboard features built-in noise reduction and a 16 microphone array. It also has a camera with a 120-degree field of view. These features make it the right smartboard for online classes and conferences. Screen sharing is easy to do, and the real-time annotation features allow teachers to explain complex concepts more effectively. At 55, the smartboard is large enough for a moderately sized classroom. The powerful speakers make it one of the more attractive options on this list. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.